Hi everyone, it's Nancy Bastine, and I'm here with the, the MMM challenge of cat hand morsels, mini morsels, I guess that's what it's called. I don't know, but I did my first page, and I put down black gesso and two different colors of metallic paints, and scrumpled up my shrink wrap. And I want to show you this. This is what I got left with, and I think it's pretty cool. I'm right here. I'm getting it. Do you see this roll? See this roll? Do you see this roll? When I moved here, the Packers company left this with me, and it's shrink wrap. Shrink wrap. And I have a ton of it on there. They left it. They forgot it. And then look at the tube. When I'm done, I can do something with that tube, I hope. Anyway, yeah. So I put the shrink wrap on here and crumpled it up, waited all night, and I took it off today, and this is what I got. Pretty cool, huh? I want to try it. I got on this side, I've got white gesso, and I'm going to try it with some blues, different colors of blue, dark blue and a light blue, and see what I get on the white side. But today we are going to glue because I got to get caught up, you guys. I'm behind everybody. Oh, sorry. I got to do my initial. Yeah. So here we go. And I've glued a few pages together, and now I have paper glue sealer finish decoupage. That's what I'm going to use to glue my bits. See my bits? I'm sure we're not going to use all of these, but I've got bits. I've even got a green tea bag. I might save that for another project. Anyway, so I even found a book of stickers that I had. Look at all these little stickers. How fun! How fun are these? I was going, looking through them. Look, there's bugs. And I think I bought these at Target in the dollar bin for when I was doing my food journal. Yeah, that didn't last long. Okay, so let's get going here. I'm gonna start gluing some of these little bits down. These itty bitty bits. I love to glue. I do. I just love to glue stuff. And I got my kit in the mail from so I can do some metal art, but my tools haven't come. I should have ordered my tools from this lady instead of ordering them from Amazon. They're still not here. I don't understand. They said they were out for delivery, or they were on their way. I think the truck must have got stuck somewhere. I don't know. I have a little bird here, but it's tissue paper, so it's going to dissolve. And I'm going to put stuff over the top of it that's just for texture. This was some drop paper that doesn't want to stick down. And a napkin. Man, that doesn't want to stick. Come on. Come on, little guy. So, not much news from yesterday. Nothing new. Oh, I have a little butterfly. Put that in here. Hopefully it'll stay down. It might not. But anyway, I got my metal kit. It's just like Sarah's. If you watch Sarah on my Serenity Crafts, it's just because I'm going to copy her. And yeah, because I'm a copycat. She said I could. Oh, that looks cool. It goes right through the tissue paper. Yeah. I love to collage. I should do more of it. I just have got to get back into my journaling stuff this year. I kind of went off the deep end last year and quit doing it, and that's not going to stick, so I'm not even going to bother with it. This is paper that I got from Deco Art. You can order paper from them. Collage paper. I'm in the program. Am I in frame? I haven't even checked to see. I thought I might be. This is drop paper and it's a circle. I think I'm getting there, guys. My favorite stamp and my favorite flower, Queen's Anne's lace, but I think this is dandelion. No, this is Queen Anne's lace, which is a carrot. The root is a carrot. The Germans brought it over here. It's a wild carrot. The flower on top is called Queen Anne's lace. Alright, I think I have enough. So, I'll put one little morsel over here. What do I want? What do I want? Maybe a little bit of this deli paper. I bought some new deli paper off of Amazon that doesn't have this kind of edge on it. It's 12 by 12. Yay, square pieces of Alright, I'm going to go away and dry this up, and I shall return. And we should do some doodling on here. I'm going to put my glue away and clean up my mess. I need to clean that glue water brush out. It smells bad. When I took my brush out of there, it just phew. And I think I'm going to put some stickers on once this is dry. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and it's all nice and dry. And I'm going to get my marker. I think I'm going to use my Sharpie, my black Sharpie. And, oh, you know what? I'm going to use my Copic marker that I bought for my class that I've given up the ghost on. And I'm going to make my N for Nancy. Just like that. Now I think I shall put a little, I don't know what. A doodly thing on it like so. And one down here. Give my ends some legs. There's my N. Now let's find a Posca pen. Do you think I have enough? I don't want the big ones, and that's a Pitt pen. I pulled all these out because I was coloring my this little one because I was coloring my shrink art with them, and the big ones usually go on the bottom of this basket, and I need to just go buy another basket, but I don't have enough room on my table if I keep getting more and more baskets full of stuff. So here we go. I have my little one. And I need to prime it. Yeah, I need a piece of paper. Well, don't tell me it's dead already. No, there we go. I do use this one a lot, so I might be replacing it. I made my N too thick of lines. I didn't want it this thick to begin with. But it's going to work out. I'm not going to change it. Am I in? Can you see what I'm doing? This is so fun, Cat. I love this. And I want to show you what I found out in my other art room. I had made these book holders. I had bought some stuff from my friend at Stamping Buddies. Some kits that you put together to make, you know, stuff that holds those books, those book holders, magazine holders, things that go on a shelf. And I'd made a bunch of those and put them on my shelf out there and forgot what was in them. I could see that there was some things, you know, like notebooks and some art books and some journals and stuff like that. But so I was searching for, just going through it, gonna bring them in the house, inside from my art rooms down the basement now. And I pulled one out and I looked and I found these. Look at all these that I found. Now I know that I bought these at the dollar store and I can't find them anymore. And they came in a package of 4, I think, yeah, because I bought all 4 of them. They were all shrink wrapped together. They were 4 for like $3. They're like moleskin paper, but they've got dots on it, so you could do like dot to dot. And they're stapled on the middle, and I think that they're perforated. You can tear them out, yeah. But I thought these were big, cute to journal in, and it says they're made in Italy. Fabri, I don't know, Fabriano, made in Italy. Anyway, I found those, and then I found all my little books. And yeah, this one I already started doing something in it. I stamped out those water droplet stamps of mine from Designs by Ren. I can't tell if I just stamped them on here and then I painted over it with some glitter paint. That's a good background. That's a good thing. So I already had one started. These I got at Staples, I guess, because it says Staples on them. And yeah, I got me a bunch of little books I found tucked down in those little things. So anyway, now you see, I'm just not a very good doodler, doodler, but I need something down here because it's just not making me happy. And I always go for these little scallop things, and you can't see them because my paper's too white, so we'll get the black one. Sure, Nancy, sure. How about if I just get the black pit pen? That'll work. That's right on top. I'll just go over these with the black pit. Yeah, that'll work. I always need a border. Am I in frame? Can you see? Do I need to get you closer? How's that? Is that better? Yeah, I hardly ever use my pit pans. They're gonna dry up on me just like my Tombos did. My Tombos dried up. I was so sad. And that ran together. That's okay. That looks cool. Alright, now I'm going to put some stickers on it. I always go for the bugs. Let's go for some faces today. What do I want? Can you see? I guess I want this one. This one. Here's a little flower. Here's a rainbow. Alright, I'm getting to be so where it's going to be mucked up now. 1, 2, 3, 4. I gotta have 5. Alright, that's it. That's all we're going to do on this page now. We're all done. Do you like it? How's that? That's my N. That's my N for Nancy. Neat, neat, neat. Zigzag, zigzag. See, it could be a zigzag this way. Yeah. I should have made it like this and like this. Now I need to put some, seal it with some varnish on it. Let it dry a little bit. And maybe I'll put some, I won't put varnish on it, I'll put some decoupage on it. Seal it in. Because that's what Eileen does on all of her stuff. She seals it in with some Mod Podge, and so I'm going to do that. And that waters. My brush stinks really bad. And she seals all her work, so I'm going to start doing that. And she just goes over it very lightly if it's gonna run. So there you go. There is my N. Yay for me. Now I'm caught up. I want to do this page because I think it'll be fun to have two different kinds of that, yeah, that background. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe if you've never subscribed yet, and send me love, give me comments, and share with your friends. And you can find me on Facebook and on Google+. Thanks guys.